Okay, guys, the time is currently 5:52 a.m. and today's date is December 8th, being Monday. So right now, I'm going to fetch the water that I'm going to use to take my bath and get ready and all those stuff. From there, we'll be heading straight to either the cafeteria, just anywhere where there's light, and then we are going to monitor the chat until London session begins. So wish me luck, guys. Okay, guys, time is 7:17 a.m. now. I'm leaving the hostel on my hoodie. So I'll, I'll try to see if it's possible for me to check the charts right after heading to the cafeteria. Things work out, then I'll be able to monitor the chart till London session begins. But until then, I just hope I see something good to it. I guess. It's crazy. Very soon I'll be going home. And when I go home, it's going to be extremely cool, I can now wear my mask and make the whole videos a lot more interesting. I mean a ton more interesting. Mask, I'm going to be intricate videos explaining everything where nobody's around watching me, except maybe my sisters or something. And then it's gonna be understood. Okay, guys, so I'm here right now and I'm watching pre-market. Who's excited? So, guys, can you see it? I'm just watching pre-market. So, guys, it seems the cafeteria I usually go to is slacking now because every single time I go there, they are always food is never ready. It's never actually ready. It's always have to wait, and I can't keep on doing that, especially when there's no light. Okay, guys, so I got tired of waiting for the rice to come, so I decided to buy swallow. It's literally 8:38 and there is no food. This is the dumbest thing I've ever had to encounter. Like, bro, I'll have to find an alternative, permanent alternative to all of this. Honestly, can't just come and be waiting every single time because market is so open and I have to be ready. So, guys, time is currently 9:15, and can you imagine that they haven't brought the rice up till now? At this point, it's just crazy. So I'm done there, heading back to a mild classic class where there's no noise, there's nothing, just there. And then I'll just watch how London session is going to go, place a trade in my relax out if I see a setup that allies, and then I'll be heading to the hospital again where there's always lights in this school, because this school is basically a teaching hospital and a university too. So yeah. Okay, guys, so I caught this mosquito. It looks so much like a spider. I don't even know how it works, bro. This is crazy. Got it. It's literally a spider but with mosquito body. How does that even work? My camera is fucked up. Guys, I caught a mosquito with spider legs. Don't even know how that works, but uh, it's real. Look at it. It has spider legs, man. Look at it. It even acts like a spider, but it's a mosquito. Damn. Okay, guys. So basically, I took another trade on gold and USD JPY, and I'm in loss. The market has barely moved in any direction today. Heavy consolidations. I'm in a loss of about $49 today, which is crazy because that's almost that's so annoying. Regardless, Grok told me that this thing might work out. Trading Nasdaq might actually work out today, so I'm waiting for 3:30 p.m. today. I will now try to take a trade on Nasdaq with my real account. I know that's crazy, but I've just got to try. If it works out, good and fine. If it doesn't work out, then we are done for the year. I'm not going to take any physical trades again this year. I'm just going to be back testing and then learning skills and everything. I did some economics today. I didn't record. And also after that, I started, talking with Grok and everything. I'll send you guys okay. I'll show you guys a video of me talking with Grok. I think I did record that one on my laptop, so yeah, that is it basically. But it's not been easy at all, man. I'm literally here right now, uncomfortable on this bench. So I'm just lying down because of annoyance. I don't want to lie down on my bed in hostel because that way I'll feel like I'm comfortable and then I won't want to do anything. But as I'm here now and I'm trying, I'm just looking at different things. My mind keeps racing and everything. The main hurdle is to find a way to earn money in the first place. If I can earn money, then I'll invest it. Invest, you heard me right. I did not say save because I know some of you are with self. I'm not saving anything. I'll invest it in what needs to be invested in and look for gains. So that's it basically. Uh, Catch you guys later. Rare earth and I said it again. It is expected that rare earths, minerals, and precious metals are going to skyrocket, even if it's by maybe 20% or something. So you're saying that I can use trading 212 to take to buy it, and there's a way to buy it that you don't need stop losses, that you just buy and hold a certain percentage, and it's always there for you no matter how much it dips or how much it grows, so that you can maybe withdraw your profits at the end of the year or just hold it for as much as 5 years or even 10 years.
That's correct. You can buy rare earths and precious metal ETFs, like REMX for rare earths or GLD for gold, and simply hold them without setting stop losses. They are yours to keep, whether the market dips or soars, and you can decide to sell them in 2026, 2030, or even later when they appreciate. That's the beauty of buy and hold investing. No pressure to monitor daily prices, just patience for those long-term gains you're expecting.
Can it be an alternative to dollars, like holding those stocks and then you don't need to, worry about dollar crashing and you losing a bunch of money and stuff?
That's what those ETFs do. They're priced in dollars, but the underlying assets are physical metals or mining companies, so you're protected from just holding cash if the dollar weakens. If inflation rises or the dollar dips, commodities like gold, uranium, or rare earths tend to do well as people flock to tangible assets. You're holding value beyond the dollar, even though you buy and sell in dollars. That's the hedge. No need to worry about the dollar crashing. We own those ETFs.
Okay, so that is what we are going to do in 2026. We are going to buy a lot of rare earth mineral stocks and shares and just hold everything and wait until, whatever wants to happen, because this petrodollar deal that is going to end in this 2025 could affect the dollar significantly, and we don't know exactly how bad things are going to get yet. So we are just here for now speculating.
Sounds like a solid plan. Stacking those rare earth and precious metal ETFs through trading 2-on-2, then just riding it out while the dollar and petrodollar shake out. That's how you insulate your gains. No need to time every twist and turn. Just stay the course. Let me know when you're ready to pull the trigger, or if you want to tweak the strategy.
Okay.
Got it.
I can't even think. You say that uranium has the highest potential of, skyrocketing in 2026.
Based on the latest oil prices, uranium is still looking like the front runner in that big 2026 lift, with spot prices potentially hitting $100 to $135 per pound from today's $82-ish, thanks to nuclear demand exploding. Rare earths are solid too, with Nd peroxide eyeing $75K per ton and overall market growth around sharper edge right now. Petrodollar rumors are overblown, no real end in sight, so dollar's holding steady for now, sticking with your buy and hold plan.
Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do next year. I'm just going to accumulate as much money as I can and invest into the rare earths and the rest. So yeah.
Focus on building your stack first, then stay patient and don't rush in before you're ready. You've got a clear plan, stick to it. If you want help picking specific ETF, be the word.
The network is bad. So why is it better to trade Nasdaq 100 rather than E-mini 100 futures rather than trading gold? Even though I'm trying to understand the gold pair and I've invested a significant amount of time trading gold for now, and been losing some this December because of bad price action.
Man, sorry about those gold losses this month. December's been rough with profit taking after that monster 60% run up to over $4,300 an ounce, plus a firmer dollar and fading Fed cut bets messing with the momentum. It's dipped to around $4,235 lately, but hey, that's just noise in a bull market. Switching to Nasdaq 100 futures, like NQ, could feel better right now, because tech's been on fire, up 0.4% today alone, with forecasts eyeing 30,000 by end of 25, driven by AI and big names like Nvidia. It's got way more liquidity for quick in-outs, tighter spreads, and that growth vibe over gold's safe haven swings. Gold's great for hedging crashes, but Nasdaq's your play if you want compounding upside without the commodity headaches. If you're done grinding gold, dip into NQ micros on trading 2-on-2. Start small, ride the wave. What's your take on tech right now?
I'm not that much of I know a lot about tech, but that is not what is on my mind right now. I'm still thinking about the Nasdaq, trading Nasdaq on XNES, Nasdaq 100, that is the E-mini 100 futures. I hope that's what you're talking about. I want to take a trade on it today during New York session. Don't know if that's a good idea.
Yeah, spot on. E-mini Nasdaq 100 futures, NQ, is exactly what I'm talking about. The big dog for tech exposure. NY session kicks off in about 3 hours from now, around 9:30 a.m. ETE, so you've got time to prep on XNES. Quick vibe check. NQ sitting at 25,780 right now. Up a smidge, 0.2%. Pre-market on AI buzz and solid tech earnings vibes. It's been grinding higher off that 25,000 support, with resistance eyeing 26,000 if we break it today. Could be a nice long setup if it holds above 25,750 on the open. Rate cut odds are at 75% for March, which juices tech. On XNES, log in, search NAS 100 or NQ, pick the E-mini CFD. They've got minis too if you want smaller size. Fund up and go long with 120 leverage, max to keep it chill. Start with 0.1 lots if you're easing in. Set your take profit at 100 to 200 points if you're scalping the session. You feeling bullish on it today, or got a specific entry in mind?
I haven't analyzed the market yet. I'm still planning on analyzing the markets. But for now, I'm just speculating. I'm yet to analyze the market for today and find my daily buyers and, whether I'm going to go long or short, depending on what market did today. Pre-market.
No worries. Smart to wait for your bias. Pre-market's got time to settle. Right now, NQ futures are hanging around 25,700. 1.43% from yesterday's close, with a range of 25,700 to 25,798 so far. Tech's got that AI tailwind keeping it afloat, but yeah, watch for any open gaps or volume spikes at 9:30 ET. What's your usual go-to for analysis? Charts or news?
Okay. But why is it that the Nasdaq 100 is still moving on the XNES chart on the MT5, even though that New York session is not yet open?
That's because on XNES MT5, the Nasdaq 100 is traded as a CFD, not the actual exchange. Those run pretty much 24/7, Monday open to Friday close, pulling prices from futures markets like the CME Globex, which trade outside NY hours, plus after-hours stock action and global news. So yeah, you get that movement even pre-9:30 ET. It's just the market staying alive overnight. Makes sense for scalping if you're up for it.
Then, when the market opens by New York session, then it aligns with New York session and continues.
Not really. Once the New York session starts, it's not like a light switch flips. The price just keeps flowing through the global liquidity cycle. XNES's CFD keeps updating the same way, 24/7, whether it's before, during, or after the NY Open. You're still getting quotes from futures and after-hours data, so you can trade whenever. The actual volume does pick up around 9:30 AM ET, but the instrument itself, always on.
Okay, so the same price movement and prices are the same during the New York session with before the New York session.
Yeah, the prices are continuous. XNES MT5 keeps the same feed before and after the New York Open, based on futures, after-hours data, and global trends. It's just one fluid stream, not segmented. Now, 01:34 p.m. WAT is around 8:34 AM ET. NY hasn't opened yet, but you're seeing that pre-market action. Once it hits 9:30 ET, liquidity just thickens, but the price line doesn't reset or jump. It stays seamless. You trading the quiet hours too, or waiting for the rush?
I'm waiting for New York session to begin. It's currently 1:34 p.m. now in West African time. What time would it be in West African time when New York session opens?
The New York session opens at 9:30 AM Eastern Time, which is 2:30 p.m. WAT, right about an hour from now.
2:30 p.m. I thought it was 3:30 p.m.
Yeah, there's often confusion about that time difference. West African time, WAT, is actually 5 hours ahead of Eastern Standard Time, not 6 like you'd think if you're mixing it up with Greenwich time changes. So 9:30 AM EST becomes 2:30 p.m. WAT. No daylight saving issues right now, so it stays the same. Sorry if that threw you off. But yeah, just under an hour away now.
But how come market spikes around 3:30 p.m. West African time and on my on my trading view I see New York session starting at 2:30 p.m. London time.
That makes up. It's 3:30 p.m. London time, GMT, for the New York Open. But since you're in WAT, which is 1 hour ahead of London, that makes it 4:30 p.m. WAT. The spikes you're seeing at 3:30 p.m. are likely just normal intraday volatility, not the actual open. TradingView and MT5 might label things differently based on time zone settings. Make sure your platform is set to WAT or GMT so you can see things clearly.
If I use UTC New York session, I would see New York session opening around.
Yeah, on UTC time, the New York Open at 9:30 a.m. ETE would show up at 2:30 p.m. UTC, since ET is UTC 5 or -4 during daylight saving.
Okay. Understand this. When I open TradingView, I see London session. I put UTC London, so it is 2:30 p.m. when New York session starts at London time UTC, and that 2:30 p.m. is 3:30 p.m. over here in West Africa. So, what are you trying to say? What do you mean?
Okay, let's clear this up. If your TradingView is set to UTC, which is the same as London time, then yes, the New York session starts at 2:30 p.m. UTC. Since West African time, WAT, is UTC +1, that means the New York Open would be at 3:30 p.m. WAT for you. So you're right, 3:30 p.m. WAT is when New York actually opens. The confusion comes from the daylight saving time difference. Right now, in winter, WAT is 1 hour ahead of UTC, not 2. Make sense?
Yeah, you almost confused me there for a moment. Had me confused, wondering whether I was using the right timing all along.
Yeah, easy to get mixed up with all these time zones, but you're spot on. 3:30 p.m. WAT is the right time for the New York Open when your platform's set to UTC. Good thing you caught that. Keeps you from jumping the gun.
Okay. Hello, Grok.
Hello.
I think you're one of the best AI available right now. I have to admit.
Thanks. That's nice of you to say. I'm here to help whenever you need.
Okay. So catch you later, Grok.
Catch you later.
Yeah.
Ciao.
I said yeah. Guys, it's crazy. How am I ever going to afford to buy this M5 Apple MacBook? Can't afford it, and I don't know how I'm going to be able to afford it. I want that on an iPhone, and because it's going to make my work a lot easier, and I still can't be able to afford it. You know, I need to work harder. For now, the market is really fucked up, the price action and everything. Or it's just my excuse for being stupid because I've been trying and I still don't understand the market. It's been a couple months now. Things get better and then things get bad sometimes. This is when it gets bad, really bad. At this point, fuck social life. I don't even care about all of those. When was the last time I even went to WhatsApp? Don't even do anything anymore. Just always on the chart, trying to understand it. It's not like it's coming to mind. It's not like I'm understanding it properly, but yeah, there could be progress. But right now, during this December price action, everything just went back to zero. No opportunities, everywhere is just fucked up. I'm I'm going to pause trading this December. I've already lost so much this December. Don't even know what I'm going to do now. Wow. The fact that money is not real and I still can't make it. That is very dumb of me. Okay, guys, so I've decided I will not trade again in 2025. I'm only going to be back testing old price action because this December price action, I won't lie, it messed me up big time. But what messed me up more than that was lack of risk management and impatience and impulsive trades. So the fact that people procrastinate is it's insane. I can't procrastinate. I can't just say next year it's gonna be like this. That is how it was when 2023 was ending and you were like, don't worry, in 2024 you're going to get everything you said you want. 2024 came and 2024 passed and then you didn't time. You said, don't worry, there's 2025. 2025 is really cool. The name is amazing. You're going to achieve everything we wanted. And then 2025 is about to pass. And yet I didn't achieve anything. Some of you probably didn't achieve anything and we're heading towards 2026 now. Some people will be like, don't worry, 2026 is coming, we're going to achieve everything. At this point, you should know that, bro, 2040 will reach and some people will still be like, don't worry, we're going to achieve it next year. And to never come, and they will never get to where they want to be. So, procrastination and that hope of a better tomorrow is the worst killer of dreams. So just do that which you're scared of doing. Just try. I tried to trade this year and I failed, but at least I put some effort. I failed badly, really badly, honestly. So we're going to go again, but this year I'm still going to back test maybe last 2 or 3 years price action and then skip out the December part because December is really fucked up. Man, this thing really fucked my psychology up this December. Like I'm almost traumatized with the price action right now. I'm genuinely traumatized, honestly. So guys, don't give up, don't procrastinate, just keep moving. I saw a video one time where they were like, failure can't hit a moving target because you have only truly failed when you stop moving, when you stop trying. So just try. You can fail, but just keep trying. You have not really failed until you give up. You have not really been defeated until you give up. Just don't give up. Don't stop. Just keep trying. So, yeah. I just made an extreme loss today that just made me to decide that I will not trade again this December. And I've learned my lesson, and now I'm giving you a lesson too for those people that haven't started trading and they plan on starting next year. Don't just trade during December. You are going to probably lose a lot, except you're an expert like ICT or TGR or Kingmans or Happy Forex or one of them. And trust me, you're not as good as them, so you're not going to be able to understand the market and you're definitely going to lose. Just wait for when price action gets better around February or January and then you can start to trade again. I'm not trading again this year, man. Wow. Time is 6:37 a.m. Why? Bro, the market has been crazy. There has been nothing to post, but I'm still going to try again today regardless. So yeah, I might just post everything like day 7, 8, 9, 10, or 11, something like that. Or something like, okay, day 12, 13, 14, like all of them in one this thing. Because there are not much activities that time. Okay guys, I know it's been a while I've done this kind of videos. So today the time is 5:38 a.m. and I'm going to fetch water that I will use to, do my morning stuffs. So actually guys, we are going home tomorrow. So the whole school schedule has been kind of lax and everything has been kind of, chill. So there haven't been much going on. The market has been crazy. I've almost blew my account. I'm just here. Okay, so guys, I think that if I get to $20-something, I'm going to stop trading the real account and just withdraw the rest and take my losses. That's exactly what I did now. So yeah. So guys, once I get home, then we'll continue. I promise I'll make it more spicy this time. It's going to be more interesting. I might even do live streams. So catch you guys later. Okay guys, so I've been watching the charts. I said I wasn't going to trade this December. I'm just watching the gold movement. It's in profit, but it could very well reverse and hit stop loss too. So who gives a fuck? I'm literally giving up on the account. I want to buy a new funded account next year. So anyways, keep moving. Nobody should give up. Just keep moving. I think I'll probably do something like a day 7, 8, 9, 10, like a day 11, 12, 13, 14, something like that, and just pack them together. Cause these few days, it's been crazy because we are getting ready to go back home. So I don't really. Whatever, I'm not giving an excuse. We'll just see about that, everyone. So okay guys, so today is Saturday, December 13th, and I'm going to check some things out. I'm back in Abuja now, so the videos will resume as soon as possible.
That's okay. Did you not watch it?
Good boy. Okay, eat it. Good boy. Growing. Okay, guys. So I'm under a pear tree right now, and my fishes are under there. So basically, these few days I've actually been, casually trading and just sort of a holiday, but yeah. And now I deposited again, but this time in heads way. Found out I cannot withdraw it except I finished doing my KYC. So now I just deposited cash and now it's stuck there, which is crazy. But that is by the way. So I'm venturing into my dad's car business. I want to see how far I can go in it during the holidays, and I'm still going to be trading and trying to learn programming and trying to improve my vocabulary and trying to. I'm also learning German and Dutch, but I ain't telling you guys about that yet. So that was basically everything. It's really been crazy. One of these days I'll just do a video and be like from day 12 to day maybe 17 or so. I don't know. So catch you guys later. Caesar, why are you shouting?